Okay, this is a bit of a disturbing sight for people, so please don't watch this if you might get a bit upset. But this is a dog that has turned up at Los Barrios and she's in, well, a pretty terrible mess. Hey! Hello! She's so beautiful. Look, you can see the scars where they have left the collar or a piece of rope around her neck, and just look at the state of her skin. This is just, oh my god, awful. And still so trusting of humans, even though somebody has been horrendous to her. It looks like she's had puppies as well. Hey, who did this to you? Listen, you're okay now, alright? You're okay, you mustn't worry anymore because we're going to look after you. I promise. Okay? And she's really skinny. You can see her bones and everything, it's just horrible. Oh. Who did this, darling? What's your name? I just think people that do this sort of thing to animals, they should go to prison forever. You've got pink chops. I love this dog already. I actually love her. I do, I love you. Look at that, the marks on her neck. My God.